Hello and welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see a delicious Assamese style fish curry recipe, and it's Til Diya Maas or fish curry with sesame seeds. So friends, let's get started with this interesting fish curry recipe, which is best to enjoy with some hot steamed rice. And here I have taken 6 pieces of rohu fish, and now I will season them with some salt as per taste and some turmeric or haldi powder. We'll rub the salt and turmeric powder well on both the sides of the fish pieces, and we'll let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, here I have taken 4 tablespoons of black sesame seeds, which has been toasted so the raw taste goes away. And now we'll transfer this into a mixer grinder along with 1 green chilli or as per your spice level. Next goes 2 large garlic pods, which I will slice into smaller portions, and now we'll grind this into a coarse paste. Let's shake this once. We'll now add some water gradually while mixing the coarse sesame paste with a spoon. And we will once again grind this time into a smooth paste. And as you can see, our smooth sesame paste is ready, and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, I have already heated some mustard oil in a kadhai, and when the oil is hot enough, we will add the rohu fish pieces seasoned with salt and turmeric powder. And on medium flame, we will fry them until they are golden brown from both the sides. And by now the fish pieces are fried golden brown from both the sides, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now in the same karahi, we will add 1 boiled potato which has been cut lengthwise. We will now season the potatoes with some salt as per taste and a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder. And we'll saute them until they turn deep golden brown from both the sides. And by now the potatoes are well fried from all the sides, so we'll take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now to make the fish curry, we will add in the karahi 3 to 4 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic. And on medium flame, we will saute them well until the raw taste of onion, ginger, garlic goes away and they turn golden brown in color. And once these are fried well, we will add the sesame paste, and on medium flame we will saute them until the raw taste goes away and oil from the sesame paste starts to separate. And friends, this fish curry is not just delicious but also healthy, as sesame seeds are a good source of healthy fats, protein, B vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants and other beneficial plant compounds. And once the sesame paste is well sauteed, we'll add some water to form a curry-like consistency. We'll give this a mix. And as the curry starts to simmer, we will add the fried fish pieces one by one into the curry along with the fried potatoes. I'll add some more water as the sesame curry will turn thick when we will cook them along with the fish for another 6 to 8 minutes. And now we will season the curry with 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper or kali mirch. We'll give this a mix. So in this fish curry, we'll add only roasted cumin or jeera powder and black pepper apart from salt and turmeric powder. And now we will cover and let the fish simmer in the curry for 6 to 8 minutes on medium flame. It's almost 6 to 7 minutes now. Let's check this fish curry once. So the consistency has thickened slightly, which is just perfect. At this stage, I will add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, which will give a well-balanced flavor to our fish curry. Also, I will add a little bit of salt as I found the salt proportion a little less. and around 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to give a balanced flavor. For extra spiciness, I will add 1 green chilli slit into half. You may add chilies as per your spice level. We'll now give this a mix and we'll let the fish simmer in the curry for another 1 to 2 minutes. And just before turning off the flame, we will add some chopped coriander leaves. And our fish curry is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our Til Diya Maas or fish curry with sesame seeds, which is best to enjoy with some hot steamed rice. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious as well as healthy fish curry recipe. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.